Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have the latest update about Gummy on Solana and what's going on now. They just had an AMA with a major announcement, so stay with me until the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to stake Gummy to get baked. So stay tuned with me. First, we're gonna look at the website here because they do some improvement to this website. You can see here it looks more professional, it has more information. And you can see here they add these tattoos. These tattoos is from the competition that they are running, and some people, the owner of these tattoos, got airdropped some gummies. And you can see here a couple exchanges that Gummy is listed on. If you wanna buy this token from these centralized exchanges, but like you know guys, these videos is for entertainment and education only. So if you wanna buy or sell any token, do it at your own risk. Do your research before participating in any project. So first, let's go to a DEX tool and see how Gummy is trading today. You can see here before the announcement, it went all the way to 0.11. And now because people are taking benefit, this is not, it's not bad to take benefit as soon as you see there is more money coming to your wallet. So take some benefit, take at least your initial investment and leave the others rising. My opinion, this is not a financial advice, my opinion, this token will do good in the future, not now, not today, but in the future. That's my opinion. That's why I'm holding and I'm staking some of it. So I will show you how to stake, and I show you everything you would like to know about the staking and what's going on and what happened at the AMA, and the major question, when Gummy airdrop is gonna happen. So stay tuned with me. So it's trading at 0.09 now, and the market cap is 91 million. The 24-hour volume is 4,084,000. So let's go to their Twitter. You can see here they start their marketing already. You can see here the billboard. They have in too many billboards. They said in America, Asia, and some different places. You can see here. And if you scroll down, you can see here if you want to get your gummies, airdrops, you want to participate, you can go back to my channel and I make a video about step by step how you can participate and earn more points and earn more gummy in the future. So let's go to the staking. Now you can see here staking those lovely gummy bags to earn baked. Staking in Sol now live. How you can do it? You're gonna click on this link. I'm gonna leave it in my description box. Like this is easy for you guys to find it if you would like to stake your gummies. So you're gonna go here. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna connect your wallet. I'm connecting my wallet right here. This is my dummy wallet anyway. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on here because you have 30 days, guys. It's from today to 4th June. So the soon as you stake, more points you're gonna get. I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna click on launch and you're gonna put how many gummies you would like to. You're gonna click here on stake. You can see here how many I'm staking. I'm staking 1,678 gummies. So for me, this is my opinion, guys, and because of my previous what can I say, because it happened to me before. I stake in some protocols, I stake all my tokens, and then what happened, that token pumped hard and I couldn't sell because I'm staking all my tokens. So I learned my lesson now. what happened? I'm staking only a 1067.8 token, and I'm keeping the rest in my wallet. So like this, if the token pump more, I can sell and get my benefit. In the meantime, I'm not gonna lose the baked airdrop. So this is my experience, guys. I'm talking from my experience. Don't stake all your gummies, because if gummy token pumps hard, so you're not. Anyway, it's the good thing about this platform, that you can end stake anytime. And just for me, the time to end stake and then go sell, by that time maybe the token will drop. So for me, I'm staking some of my gummies and keep the rest on my wallet like this. If it's pump, I can sell it anytime I want. So here there is no limit how time you will stake your gummies, and you can stake it and stake it anytime you want. And you can see here why I said the soonest you stake your gummies, the soonest is better, because you can see here I stake mine like about 15 minutes before I do this video, and you can see here I'm earning points. It's accumulating, is going up and up. So the soonest you stake, the better, and the more points you get. The more points you get, the more baked you're gonna get for free. So after you get baked for free, you can end stake and get your money back. So you're not losing anything. It's everything, it's free. That's all what you have to do. It's easy. Go back again, show you again how to do. Connect your wallet, go here, click on launch, put how many tokens you would like to stake, or click on stake here, put how many tokens you would like to stake, you know what I mean, wherever you want, and you're gonna click on stake. That's all what you have to do. Soon as you click on stake, it's gonna see here a big green button says success. That's mean you start staking and you start earning points, and you can see here how many points you have so far, because this point is gonna be accumulating every day and every day and every day. So it says here time left 30 days and 7 hours. So you have from today 30 days and 7 hours from today to earn more points. The soonest you stake, the better, because you're gonna get more points and you're gonna get more baked in the future. So that's all what I have for you today, guys. I hope this video helped you to understand how to do the staking and how to benefit from this. Like this, you can get a free airdrop, free money, guys. So don't hesitate to like and subscribe, because by subscribing to my channel, you will get the latest update about Gummy and all the tokens that I'm talking about in these videos, and I'm participating in it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.